Hello class. Today I wanted to show you a different way of getting into the library to access sources for your academic paper. So let's go back to the SDSU library. Let's go ahead and click on articles. Click on EBSCO and then type in your topic. So here's our topic, here's some articles. Let's limit our search to more recent articles. And let's limit our search in terms of source types. Let's go to news publications because those are going to be easier for you to read than scholarly journals, and yet they are still perfectly legitimate academic sources for your paper. All right, so here are articles, and they are all legitimate, great articles for your essay. Let's say that you want to use this article here. This gives us a little information, but not a whole lot. So let's go ahead and find it. This says find it Alma Resolver. Let's go ahead and see. We'll click on Global News Stream. And here we go. We have the article, the full text here. We can read it and choose something to cite for our paper. Of course, we can always click on Cite here for the references page of our essay. And also another handy link is email. You can also decide to email this article to yourself. So you type in your email address, your name, the subject line, and then send it to yourself. And that way, when you open your email, here we go, you have the article right here for your easy reference. So in case you decide to change your mind in terms of what to cite, or you want to look at it again and you don't want to go into the library, it's right here for you. And if you scroll all the way down where it says document URL, HTTPS libproxy SDSU, it'll take you right back into the library. This is really good in case you forgot to click on the citation button. You can then go back and click on it and prepare your references page. So try this way, try the EBSCO source in the library and see if you can't find some great articles for your essay. Good luck!